Hey there, welcome to Gaming Basics. I hope you all are doing well. Today you will learn how to find a clan with one member in Clash of Clans. Before I start this video, be sure to subscribe to this channel and do not forget to click on bell icon. So let's begin. So first of all, open your Clash of Clans app. Click on XP button. Now out of many options, click on Clans button. From there you have to select advanced options. From the advanced options, decrease the members to 1. Now from the clan level settings, increase it to 5. Now click on search button. As you can see, all these clans are closed. So this is how you find a clan with one member on Clash of Clans. I hope you guys like this video. I will see you in the next one. Thank you guys for watching this video, and make sure to subscribe this channel and don't forget to hit the bell icon.